Hi, good evening, everyone. We'll start the session now. The last session, I explained about the teaching plan. What are the topics are going to be covered? How much duration? Manual testing, automation testing. Today, I will going to explain to you the first chapter in this software testing. It is Introduction to Software Testing. In this, I will going to discuss what is software testing. What are the advantages of software testing? Difference among the error, defect, bug, and failure. Difference among the error, defect, bug, and failure. Then some of the major activities in software company like coding, testing, defect reporting, debugging, then bug fixing. After that, I will go and explain types of software testing, such as what is manual testing, then what is an automation testing, what is manual testing, what is an automation testing. After learning these concepts you understand well, then you are going to get the clarity here. If you want to get a job as a test engineer, required skill set for QA tester. QA means quality assurance. QA means quality assurance tester. To get a job as a test engineer, what type of skill set required for us? That clarity you are going to get after you understand these concepts. Right. This is the first chapter for us. Introduction to software testing. Now, if I go for software testing, how we can define software testing? So before going to explain about the software testing, so I want to say something about what is software. Now, if I go for the software which I'm using here to write the notes, this is a notepad. Notepad is one of the software. Or if I go for the calculator, it is also a software. Zoom online meeting application, also one software. Or if I go for the ICICIbank.com, this is also one software. It is right. Another different kind of software is there. Now, if I go for the software company, Infosys company, if I go, where software will be developed, where software developed. But here, this company want to develop the software. So first of all, they should know that what purpose they have to develop the software and who is going to use the software. So for the purpose, suppose example talking about the ICICIbank.com. If I go, this is the software I'm talking about. Now, who for whom this software is means which company purpose ICICI. Here, who is the client means here ICICI Bank. The client. For them, this is the application they want to develop. For that, this client what they have to do, provide their business requirements. Which business purpose the software required. So what are the transactions they want to do in that application? The details has to be provided to the one software company. Okay, the client here ICICI Bank, who is going to provide their business requirements. According to those requirements, in this company, will have the developers will do coding. These developers will do the coding as per the requirements what we collect. They do coding it is right. So whenever coding is done, the output will be software. Okay. Which software it is? ICICIbank.com. ICICIbank.com. Now in the software company, developers are the responsible to go for the coding. Coding means they will write the programs to develop the application. Once coding is completed, then output of that phase is going to be here software. That is output. The input will be client business requirements. What is that? Client business requirements. Now tell me your idea about it. If the software is developed, will they going to deliver the software directly to the client? No. What they are going to do, that software will be given to the separate testing team. In present, every organization will maintain the separate testing team. Separate testing team. A test engineers will be there, right? So release software to the separate testing team. This testing team has to go for the testing. That's the developed software. But whenever we are going to test the developed software, some reference required are not for that. So now what we do here, whichever requirements are given, these requirements, this testing is also going to take, and they are going to study. Based on that, they are going to prepare the some documents here called test scenarios, then test cases we are going to prepare. That means what client need, according to that we are trying to go for them. What are the features required to test the application? So one document we are going to prepare. How do you want to test the functionalities of the application? So we are going to the test prepare document. Once we got the application, as per those requirements, we are going to the testing. This is what the software testing we are saying. This is nothing but more software testing. Okay. Test the developer software testing. Who is doing test engineers? Now understand. So what based we are going to the testing as per the client requirements. That means in simple, how software we can say here, no? Software simple definition. Set of programs or instructions. Set of instructions or programs to perform particular business transactions in a system is called software. Example like this. If I go for the notepad, some notepad means some text to prepare here, document calculated to perform the arithmetic operations. Zoom means for online meeting related features implemented. ICICIbank.com. Okay, so like this banking transaction purpose. Who is client? ICICI. Which is business purpose? Banking. Here, bank nothing but a domain we are going to call. Bank is nothing but domain. Okay. Now coming to the software testing, how we can define. In simple, we can say it is performed. It is performed to ensure. It is performed to ensure client business transactions in developed software. That means what are the transactions client want to do in the software? Those are implemented or not in the software. So that is what they have to go for the testing it is. That's what they have to go for testing it is. Okay. So in simple, I said it is performed to ensure transactions, client business transactions in a developed software. Or software testing, simple to understand the way. Software testing is a process used to identify correctness, completeness, and to measure quality of developed software. Software testing is a process used to identify correctness, completeness, and to measure quality of developed software. So understand my here. Correctness means if I take an example like calculator. What is the purpose of the calculator? to perform different kind of arithmetic operations. Now, what are the components are implemented here? Those components are working as per our expectation or not. We have to check it is. Those are working as per our expectation or not. That is what we are going to call correctness. Suppose I entered 456. If I click on the C button, the number should be clear and 0 displayed here. 0 displayed for us. So that's what we have to check. If I click on the C, how it is responded as 0 displayed. Like this, we have to check. Software testing is a process used to identify correctness, completeness. That means if I go for this calculator, what is the purpose? To perform the arithmetic operations. To perform arithmetic operations. Now, if suppose developer not given this plus operator, assume the developer is not given this plus operator. Are you going to say it is a complete calculator? No. Like that. We have to check. Everything, what 100 requirements are given to do different kind of transactions. Now, so whether developers are implemented all these functionalities are not in the application, we have to check it is. This is what we are going to call completeness. Everything is covered or not. Then how do you define the quality of the software? So quality software, let me explain. So here from producer point of view, that means whoever involved to develop the software from producer point of view, when application fulfilled with all the client requirements and the end user point of view, when application fit for use, or application fit for use, fit for use, what are the transactions client want to do? All those ready transactions are implemented. The fit for use, then it is considered as quality software. See, from producer means the team which is involved to develop the software. From producer point of view, when application fulfilled with all the client requirements, and end user point of view, and from end user point of view, when application end user means final who is going to use the software, their point of view, application fit for use, then it is considered as quality software. However, some major factors depend on the quality software. What are those? Following are the major factors depend on quality software. First one is budget. Generally, when we are going to start developing the software, there will be some agreements with the client. There will be some agreements with the client. How much cost we are going to take to develop the software. make sure the software should be developed within that specified cost it is. Then in-time release. Second one, in-time release. In-time release. Within the specified time, we have to deliver the software. Finally, so reliability. Reliability again, two ways we are going to say. It should meet client requirements in terms of functionalities. What are the features are implemented? Those features point of view, they have to see it is. Meet client requirements in terms of functionality. Same way, it should meet our client expectations. I want to use the application, different browsers or different operating systems. So that is expectations. Transaction be completed within a specified time like this. Expectations in terms of speed, compatibility, how quickly application responding to complete transactions, compatibility. Can I use this application on different browsers or operating systems? We have to check it is. Operating systems, we have to check it is. So then user interface, how the application looks like. Is it easy to operate or not? Usability, security, like these factors we are going to check. But here, first two are the generally project manager or business analyst who are the responsible to consider this fact, budget time. But as a test engineer, we are the responsible to validate these factors in the developed software. So what I said about software testing, it is performed to ensure client business transactions in developed software. Or transactions easy to understand, we can say the business requirements. What type of operation they want, transactions, business requirements. Also, I can say requirements in developed software. Or software testing is a process used to identify correctness, completeness, and to measure quality of developed software. So I said, what is the meaning of correctness? Correctness means what are the features are implemented. correctness. Completeness means so everything is covered on it. What are the business requirements are given. And finally, quality. How we can define the quality. Okay, like this. So now, quality software. How we can define from producer point of view when application fulfilled with all the client requirements, and end user point of view when application fit for use, then it is considered as quality software. But what are the major factors that depend on the quality software? Budget, in-time release, reliability. Reliability means meet client requirements. Meet client requirements. Okay, expectations. Understand what is the difference requirements and expectations here? Requirements in terms of functionalities. Expectations like speed, compatible. These are the non-functionality factors we are going to call. So, so software testing technically, how we are going to say software testing
Hello, sir. Excuse me,
is a
sir.
combination of
Hello.
verification and validation also are going to call. Software testing is a combination of verification and validation. Verification and validation. Okay. This is a technical definition for verification or validation. Later we are going to see. But simple, we can say software testing is a combination of verification validation. But at this moment, understand verification nothing but a so when we are going to check everything is covered or not in the system, completeness. So that is nothing but we are going to call so verification activity. So correctness when we are going to check that is comes under validation activity. Okay. Sir, what are the advantages we have when you go for the software testing? Advantage of software testing. First thing, it will help. It will help to deliver reliable software to the customer. Right software we can deliver. Okay. Software testing we have to deliver reliable software to the customer. Next, it will reduce maintenance cost for a project. It will reduce maintenance cost for a project. Maintenance cost means once we deliver the software to customer, if customer facing any problems with your software, to rectify those problems, whatever amount is going to spend, whatever amount is going to spend, that is called maintenance cost. That expenditure we call as maintenance cost. Okay. So here you tested, we given the right software so that customer so face the less problems, low maintenance for that project. That is the it will reduce maintenance cost for a project. Then it will help to stay in business. To stay in business. What is that stay in business? Suppose as a software company, this company developed one software, they given right software to the customer. So customer once they deliver, whenever client is satisfied, your company will get good reputation in the market. So that more orders we are going to get, more business we can do, more orders, more business we can do or not. This is what the we can stay in a business. You have to stay in business. Next thing, it will help to deliver bug-free software to the customer. Then software testing will help to identify defects. When those are resolved, when those are resolved, then software quality improves. Then software quality improves. Okay. These are the advantages are there when you go for software testing. Okay. Now, what are the two topics I covered here? What is software testing? Then what are the advantages of software testing? So once again, SEMA, it will help to deliver reliably right software to the customer. It will reduce maintenance cost for a project. It will help to stay in business. It will help to deliver bug-free software to the customer. Software testing will help to identify defects. When those are resolved, then software quality improves. Okay, these are the advantages we have when you go for the software testing. Okay. So like this class is going to be the notes, running notes, whatever topics I covered, end of the day, I will go to forward that notes and the recording also will be shared with you. Recording also will be given to you. Okay, drive links are going to provide it to you by my admin. Okay, so that is the class for us today. So if you have any doubts, let me know it is. So please change the timings. What time is preferable for you, no? Siddhant, Jena. What about others? Any doubts are there? Let me know it is. So morning sessions, I have some office. I can't take the morning sessions classes. That's one of the problem for me. So is it clear for everyone? Okay. So that is the demo sessions are over. Monday, the link is going to be changed. Who are interested to continue the classes, give the confirmation to the my admin here. I'm giving the numbers here to whom you need to contact for register. A new link to get the new link for the Monday class. Tomorrow we don't have the session. Monday we have the session. So for that new link to get, try to take these numbers for any one number. Try to make a call.
Excuse me, sir. Hello.
Yes, ma.
Sir,
Yeah,
this
tell
is a
me.
demo class. This is a demo class, sir. Monday onwards,
Yes,
briefly
ma.
explanation is there, sir.
Demo class means meaning free class it is. Monday
Oh,
onwards
okay.
paid class it is. That's it.
Okay, okay.
Subject is going to be continuity. So again, same topic will not repeated Monday class. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. See you on Monday. There is no session tomorrow. We'll have generally 5 days a week. Okay. Thank you. See you on Monday. Bye.